Hi, everybody. Welcome back. And we're glad to see you today. We got something a little different. It's a snack, but it's actually a healthy snack for a change. I've got Brothers All Natural Peach Fruit Crisps. Now, there is absolutely, if you look here, the ingredients are peaches. That's it. Nothing in here but freeze-dried peaches. So we're going to see how good they are. They're supposed to be crispy, sliced fruit. Gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan, non-GMO, blah, blah, blah. You know, all the good stuff. So we're going to give it a try. I found this on the fruit aisle at my grocery store. And they had a few different kinds. But I love peaches. So we're going to rip that off and see what we've got in here. Here we go. Little peach chips. It's just a sliced peach. Mmm. They're not overly sweet. They're just naturally sweet. Oop, that's a big one. But, yeah, you got just, I mean, they're really good for sitting down, watching TV, stick in your backpack, take to school in your lunch or work, have them in your car. Just a really good all-around snack that is not, doesn't make you go, oh, I shouldn't have done that. I'm trying not to do that so often, and I have been really, really trying not to harp on the calories on things, but I will tell you this whole package is 30. So it's like a half a cup full of unsweetened peaches. So I would say this is really good. They had pear too. Now, if you like pears, great. I'm not a fan, but these would just, I mean, you could even take these and grind them up in the food processor and put them in cookie dough or whatever you wanted to do with them, because anything you could put peaches in, you could put this in. Well, I wouldn't make a pie with it, but you never know, it might really be good. So, like I said, it's called Brothers All Natural Fruit Crisps. And you'll find them on your canned and dried fruit aisle. Usually pretty close to baking stuff. But I highly recommend these. So, we're going to call this one good. So, come back again and we'll try something else. And in the meantime, I just might finish these. Normally I don't. So I always save some for my husband when he gets home so that he can try all the things that I've been taste testing. And one of these days I'm going to talk him into trying to get on the camera with me and do a little taste testing himself. So definitely buy these. If you don't have them in your store, ask for them. They're really, really good. It's about, I think I paid a little over $1 for this bag. And if it keeps me out of the potato chips, then that's a wonderful thing. So thanks for stopping by. And I will see you next time like and subscribe if you want to see what else is coming up. There's going to be some probably really good treats coming up through the holiday season. So just the seasonal stuff that you can't get any other time of year. So buy these, enjoy them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.